In the 2011 article, Prodholm and colleagues aimed to determine why Membraceidae, commonly known as the tree hoppers, have evolved an extra morphological structure known as the helmet. It was hypothesized that the helmet appendages are in fact modified wings rather than extents of the pronotum. Comparisons between the wing and helmet regions were observed using 3 different methods to find the homologs in the tree hoppers' anatomical structures. Firstly, scanning electron microscopy was used to identify similarities in the 2 hinge regions. Cross-reactive fluorescent antibodies, mainly anti-nub, were used to determine the spatial expression of the transcription factor nubbin in the tree hopper's body plan. Next, it was hypothesized that the SCR gene is no longer expressed in the wing formation within the prothorax of the tree hoppers. Using fluorescent antibody staining, the gene was found in the helmet and T1 section. Homologs between the wing and helmet regions were determined as seen in Figure 2. The scanning electron microscopy images indicate that the 2 regions share anatomical similarities and discrete characteristics. Figure 3 shows the distribution of nubbin within the body plan of tree hoppers. Hox genes, in particular the sex chrome reduced, have sculpted the ability to confine wing formation and development in the thorax sections T2 and T3, repressing the growth of the appendages in the abdominal region and the T1 section. Figure 4 shows the expression of the SCR gene in the T1 of the tree hopper. From the experiments, the gene is shown to be expressed through the entire T1 section. The SCR gene of the tree hopper was then expressed in the fruit flies. However, this presented no change to their phenotypic development. This suggested that the helmet is due to some genetic changes other than the changes in the SCR gene expression and function itself. From the article, it was concluded that the dorsal appendages in insects are not developmentally reliant on the constraint preventing extra appendages forming. However, no concluding findings determine the exact evolutionary development of the helmet. In the 2012 article by East van Mikko and colleagues, it was found that multiple interpretations relevant to the helmet and wing homology as originally conceived. Using different methods, the findings show that the helmet is not an appendage of T1, but is equivalent to the entire T1 section itself. Therefore, the evolution of the helmet is not relevant to that of the wings.